Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel. Press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Matt Bacak's dime sale review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll talk about this offer called Matt Bacak's dime sale. So this is that review, and it's nothing here. He is giving you these many subject lines for $7 only, so you can take a look here. The front end is going to give you 7,550 email subject lines for $7. And then you can enroll into his yearly and monthly membership. So this will cost you $84 for 1 year, and this will cost you $10 every month, and then swipe file for 97. So this is only a trick to get you into their funnel, okay? But is it worth it? Is it worth it? Of course it is worth it. 7,000 plus subject lines only for $7. So you can go and buy this. There's nothing wrong in that. And let's get to the sales page here. So mainly this is about email marketing. If you have an email list and you want to try out some fancy looking eye-catching subject lines so that your open rates will increase or improve, then you may want to go and check out these subject lines from Matt. He is a very old and reputed and trusted email marketeer, and he has been doing email marketing for all his life, I guess. Okay, so the sales page is quite straightforward, nothing much here. Just go and get this. There's a demo video on there as well. Anyway, so $7, that's all it is. And let me see here, what is split testing? So read it. Will this save me time? Yes. Can they be used in any niche? Yes. How are they broken down? Well, in the first section, master file, can I make money with this? If you have an email list, that means you will be making money eventually anyway, okay? So whether you buy these subject lines or not, if you have traffic, you will make money regardless of you buy this offer or not. For example, I have a very small list, and sometimes I do get sales, and I don't really need email swipes from anybody, okay? Because, first of all, there are some pros and cons. The pros are that he is an experienced vendor and he is, I guess, a professional email copywriter, so you can always trust and you can always buy his email swipes. Second, the con could be that, if 1,000 people gonna buy these swipes, then all those 1,000 people will have the same subject lines, okay? So it is going to be considered as plagiarism by Google or Hotmail, because everybody just cannot send the same subject line to the same person, to everybody, okay? So I guess this could be a con. So you might have to maybe little bit twist those subject lines when you get the copy. Otherwise, if you copy and paste and 1,000 people are going to own these subject lines, then all those people will be using the same subject lines, which will become difficult, okay? So for me, I don't really need... I can write my own email swipes and everything. So it's entirely up to you. If you cannot write your email swipes and you want somebody else's shoulder to cry, go and find their shoulder, go and buy these swipes, okay? So let me come here and show you their profile, I guess, on Ria Plus. They are very established in email marketing, this vendor, Matt, and you can see a secret email system, 20,000 plus sales, and then 1,000 here and 3,000 here. So not many products, only 3. This is the 4th one from Matt Bacak, and you can go and grab this if you want to, especially if you have an email list, okay? If you're a newbie, there's nothing here for you in this offer, because as a newbie, if you do not have if you don't have an email list, you can't do anything about these subject lines, okay? If you only want to keep them in your computer, you can still buy it. And then maybe later on in the future, when you have your email list or when you will buy solo ads, you can use these subject lines, okay? And I believe these are only subject lines. You still have to go and find the body or the content of your email. You may have to write that on your own, or you may have to go and buy something else, okay? Anyway, so we are done with the review here. And I have told you that the main trick is that they want you to get into their funnel, because once you buy these subject lines from them, then they will ask you to join their yearly membership, this and that, and this is how they will make more money, okay? $7, not much, nothing, okay? And this is where the game happens in the back end. They want money from you, nothing more. So if you are if you're an experienced person, you may go and join the program, and then you can handle that if you want to buy some upgrades or not. If you're a newbie, you don't have traffic, you don't have an email list, then stay away. Okay. Now before I wind up the video, let me talk about how a newbie can make money, because you have to start from somewhere, and without knowledge you can't do anything about making money online. Okay. So either you can do what exactly I am doing. I am recording this YouTube video, and if you're watching this YouTube video, so either you have found me on YouTube, or maybe you're a subscriber, but mainly people will find my videos on YouTube search. Okay. Or maybe in YouTube search. So as soon people come and watch your videos, if they are liking you, they like what you say, they like your reviews, and they buy from you, you will make money. This is how you generate free traffic using YouTube. Okay. And this is called affiliate marketing. You make videos, people come to you and they buy something from you, you make some commissions. So if you want to do exactly what I'm doing right now, then you can check out the second link below my YouTube video right now. It says here, make money with Traffic Jarvis. This Traffic Jarvis will help you to get your YouTube channel monetized as well. And we're talking about getting 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which you will get within 2 weeks if you follow Traffic Jarvis. Okay. And after that, your YouTube channel will go into the review and it will be monetized within 30 days. So you can make some money with YouTube ad revenue as well. However, this Traffic Jarvis will mainly help you to learn affiliate marketing, master YouTube, and keep making YouTube videos and keep generating your profit, and then grow your email list and everything. Okay. So if you want to replicate what I'm doing right now, then go and check out Traffic Jarvis. And the first one here says make money on autopilot with forex trading. Now this is a method which is a little bit technical, but if you can follow simple instructions in the training video, you would make money with this method. Okay, because this is about making money with currency trading, forex trading. So when we have these currencies such as Euro USD, GBP USD, and this Canadian and USD and all that, so when one currency goes up, other currency goes down, we will be utilizing the price difference to take and make our profits. Okay. Now technically we do not have to become an expert into this. If what we do is we use a software here, and that makes money for us. Okay. So for example, if I show you maybe account history, and if I show you my last 3 days profit, let's see how much was it. And if I come at the bottom, okay, so in last 3 days, 81 bucks. Okay. And this is an account which we started with $400, right? So the more money you will put into your brokerage account, the more profits you will make every day. And I will show you my real account as well in a moment, or in a couple of minutes. Okay. So the concept here is that we will have to go and set up all the system on a virtual machine, and then we will be installing the software on this graph, and that software will be doing the trading for us. It will be buying low, selling high, or maybe selling high, maybe buying high and selling low. Okay. So the software will do its job, and eventually we will get our profits. So we do not have to understand everything about this forex industry, but we have to understand how to set up the whole system and how to let the software run. Okay. That is what you will learn inside this training called Syndicate. So if you click on the first link below the video, you will be on this page, and enter your email address here, enter your name, click on unlock the syndicate first, and then go back to your email, verify the email. Once you verify the email, then you will be taken to the syndicate page. Watch the video there, and then take the action, and then follow the training. If you will need help or support, you will have my Skype here. You will be able to contact me on Skype and ask your questions. And this is not affiliate marketing, this is forex trading. This might be something new to you, and you will need help, and that is why you will have to contact me on Skype, but you will have to follow the instructions. Okay, that is why the training is there. And what else do we have? So we have more links, but let's wind this up, or maybe I'll show you my real account here first of all. So if I come here and let's refresh this for you, so you can see I started with the 674 real account. Okay, and with this account I have made 342 bucks profit, right? This is my profit without any investment. So this is what I invested, and this is how much I have made so far. The total amount is $996, almost $1,000. And I have withdrawn couple of $100 today, which are not showing here. They will show in my withdrawal history maybe by tomorrow, because I have requested the withdrawal just today. So I will be receiving the money within I guess 24 hours. Okay. Anyway, so whatever I have withdrawn, that will show up here. What you need to focus here is that this is green. Okay. As long all the numbers here are in green, that means we're good to go. And all of this money is being made by the software, not by me. I don't do it manually. The software does everything automatically. Okay, this thingy dime sale, it's only for people who have an email list and they want to buy these subject lines. You can go and pay them $7 and get it. Otherwise, mainly they want you to get into their funnel and they want you to pay them more money. That's all. Okay. And if you are a newbie, then you can find these couple of ways to make money below my YouTube video. The first link is about Forex trading, and you will have to go through this syndicate training. Okay. And this traffic Jarvis will help you to make money on YouTube, just like me. You will have to learn everything. Nothing is going to happen on its own. So be ready to learn. If you cannot learn, if you cannot follow instructions in English, then nothing is going to help you. Okay. So in the end, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. And if you want to support and contribute, then you can click on super thanks, or subscribe is free, like is free, just do all that. Okay. Go and check out these links. And in the end, I will show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything. Okay, so before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers. Okay, you need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far, and when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission. Okay, so these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube Traffic Jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the Traffic Jarvis video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is going to make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of Traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days, and after that your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay, all right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get Kiss Tracking, keep it simple, stupid. Kiss Tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this Kiss Tracking training. And this Kiss Tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis. Okay, and then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say, 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have, you know, all the training inside too. But it is good if you have some experience already, and experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for rest of your life, then you can go for traffic service YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here's the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, baba tai tai. That means tada bye bye.